There's one question that we have to answer today. Is the beach really pink? Just for your knowledge, we're in May, so we're gonna see if it really is pink. And it's so beautiful. We're right in front of the beach. Let's go.
14 hours and 14 days, yeah, it feels the same when I'm not with you.
Genuine first reaction, for me at least, it looks really cool that it's very like flat. Like I'm seeing people like all the way somewhere right there, as you can see, like they're all the way somewhere there walking in the water. It's like, it looks really nice. I like it. But
for me, I expected a pink, really pink beach and sand.
A little bit more, I guess.
Yeah.
But we'll see. We just got here, so let's find a good spot.
Do you want it the way I want it? 'Cause I still wonder if we'll make it through. Tell me, do you want me right now? I don't wanna wait to find out. I need you to love me lights out tonight.
So, is the Elafonisi beach actually this pink that you might have seen on the internet? To answer your question, in May, not as much, but you still can see slight shadows or slight shades of pink, reddish color. The reason for that is the shells, like the seashells that you find here, are grinding against the sand and the rocks, and they leave like this residue. So it's still probably there, but it's not as strong as you would think. So it's a cool thing to see. On the camera, you probably won't even be able to see it.
Don't waste your breath, 'cause you know what I'm feeling. Midnight's closing in, and I won't wait for you. Don't think about it twice, we're way past second guessing. And I want you now. Yeah, shut your mouth and kiss me in the parking lot, in the backseat. Don't dare to stop now. Just close your eyes and kiss me like you mean it. You're a bad dream, but I'm into it now.
Yes, it's literally, you know, sand dunes all the way here. I'm like way far in the distance. There's Evie right there, and you can see like I'm walking pretty much barely having my ankles in the water. It's really cool, and it's very shallow everywhere here.
So one of the super cool things about this beach is that you can find here many beautiful seashells. Mine. And they are coming back with me to Poland.
And just like that, our second day on Crete has come to an end. It was now time to head back to Hania through a beautiful gorge. Hey guys, which way to Hania? We hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. It really helps us grow this channel. We hope you guys enjoyed this video once again, and we'll see you next time.
Your mouth and kiss me in the parking lot, in the backseat. Don't dare to stop now. Just close your eyes and kiss me.